On March 8, we launched campaigns, which offer you a robust set of features to manage and bid on your hotel ads campaigns. With hotel campaigns and ad groups, you'll be able to better organize and manage your hotel ads. Based on partner feedback, we wanted to really simplify and radically make it easier for partners to manage their hotel ads campaigns and also save them time and resources. We've always wanted to provide travelers the information they need in order to take action with confidence. Our goal is to help people make the best travel decisions in the least amount of time. To that end, we are guided by these three principles: to provide comprehensive information, to provide personalized information, and have it work seamlessly across devices, platforms, and wherever the users are in their journey. So we really want to make it matchable between travel intent and a partner's inventory. Hotel ads connects travelers shopping for hotels with properties that have room inventory matching the traveler's criteria. Travelers can easily customize travel dates, examine hotel information like amenities, photos, and user reviews, and compare available rates. Once the travelers decide on a hotel, they are shown a list of booking partners. Clicking on a booking link on Google lets travelers make a reservation with the partner. For hotels and online travel agents, we make it easy to reach these consumers at the top and the bottom of the funnel with Google Hotel Ads. In launching campaigns, we iterate on current features and based on integrated feedback that we heard from hotels and travel agents, we really try to improve the advertising experience from soup to nuts. So by the end of 2018, we will integrate hotel ads into AdWords. So you have a streamlined way to manage your hotel ads budgets and performance and refocus the hotel ad center to help you manage your hotel inventory coverage. Know that campaigns is basically the stepping stones towards migrating into AdWords because we're really introducing an account structure that mirrors the AdWords structure. Now we gave you a little bit of an overview why we're making these changes. So we'll walk you through some of those key features that we have with campaigns. So as we mentioned earlier, we really want to try to help you connect with travelers looking for a place to stay around the world. So hotel campaigns and ad groups gives you the ability to more precisely target, budget, and bid for the right audience in the right geography using the right bid. Let's take a closer look. The first advantage is precise targeting, which basically helps you choose where you want your ad to show. The campaign structure separates bid multipliers and allows for a more precise control. For example, you can create a campaign for US and Canadian customers looking for hotels in Latin America. Second advantage is distinct budgets. With campaigns, you can set a specific budget and bid strategies, and you can set both of them on the campaign level. This can be very, very beneficial for partners that have, for example, multi-source funding, or they want to target specific regions, or they want to target specific periods of the year where they may have a low demand or low occupancy periods. So they can really allocate that budget based on a region or a brand. So example, you can set a daily budget of $1,000 for US and a $2,000 for Canada. Or you can again set it by different hotel brands, so having a different budget by hotel brand. This is probably mostly useful for an integration partner that is managing a number of hotels. The third advantage is granular bidding, where you can modify bids and multipliers in isolation. Campaigns really allow for more flexibility when you bid on multiple levels, creating or including setting default bids on those multiple levels as well. This allows partners to organize and optimize their hotels based on performance. So for example, you can refine your device bid modifiers for US without impacting the device bid modifiers for Canada. So next, we also want to highlight that there is a number of other advantages that we have with campaigns and a few other things that are changing. So besides the account structure, there's also a number of features and functionalities. First one being reporting. So partners can now pull all the existing reports and analyze them also on another level, which is the campaign level. We're also going to introduce another report, which is the Campaign Opportunity Report, which can help partners understand possible opportunities that they may have missed based on auction participation or bids on each property within each campaign. Status is another big change we're introducing with campaigns, where partners can basically change the status of campaigns or ad groups, and that way they can make sure that if they want some inventory to not show at a given period of time, the status is basically a mechanism to stop or activate an existing campaign or ad group. Another introduction is a more diverse automated bid strategies. So we're introducing enhanced CPC, which is basically a way to automate bid modifiers while still maintaining control over manual CPC bids. So we're basically helping partners to automate their bid multipliers and taking away a lot of the effort and time that they may have used before to identify which bid multipliers to use. Lastly is callouts, where we're basically helping partners to associate callouts now with both the campaign and ad group levels. So partners can now associate callouts and on additional levels and have just much more flexibility on how they associate callouts. Lastly, I want to talk a little bit about the migration. So as we mentioned in the beginning, we launched campaigns on March 8th, and it's basically a period of 3 months where partners are required to take action. For partners who are using API, we do want to highlight that it's very critical that if you use the API for bidding or reporting, you have to move into the new version of API, version 2.1, so that you could use that with campaigns. All versions that were previous to that are not compatible with campaigns, so you basically won't be able to use them. As we mentioned, we have a step-to-step guide that includes more resources and information on how to migrate. So we really recommend using the short link at the bottom of this slide so that you can get more information on how to upgrade to the API. So please stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be discussing how to plan your strategy for migrating into campaigns.